Today we're back with another Lego set. Today we're gonna do the Dogman 2 and 3. What? No, we're not doing a Lego set. We're doing a book talk. And here's what we're gonna do: Dogman 1, Dogman 2, and Dogman 3. I thought my sister was gonna do it, but now I have to do it. We got all the CDs, but except one: Dogman and the Cat Kid. Dave Peacock keeps making more and more Dogmans to make it fun. But this is yesterday's that our dad came in, and our dad came in and gave it to us. These two are mine, but my sister has one of this, and this is my sister's. And this is mine, but we're gonna share it anyways.
John, did you took my Dogman one?
No.
Hey, and why are you eating my Mentos? That's mine.
Well, I'm doing a video. It's my video. And pay attention, camera person. I can eat it whenever I want when I'm doing it. So, this one is Get Ready for Action, Suspicion, Romantic, and Laughs. This one is in a time of darkness and disappearance. When strange villains arise, only dog-headed cop can save the day. I can't see your face. Oh, okay. Go get him. And the last one is funny. He was the best of the dogs. She was the worst of the dogs. It was the age of invents. It was the seasons of surprise. Look at his butt. So that's all for Dogman. If you get the Dogman and the Cat Kid, leave us a comment down below and send it to us like a request. And if you guys see more Dogmans, leave us a comment down below and request it to us. And we're in Korea, so you guys are basically America, so go over, send it to Korea to us.
No way, they're never going to send it. You never know when you bring it back to them because you never do.
No, I can't give that. So that was for today's book talk. If you want to see more books talk about Dogman, but you first have to send it, leave us a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye. Dogman is ready for us.